this video, I am going to discuss about David Ausubel's Advanced Organizer model. Let's imagine you are going on a trip to a new city. Before you start exploring, someone gives you a map. This map helps you understand the roads, the landmarks, and how everything is connected. In the same way, when we are about to learn something new in school, the Advanced Organizer model developed by David Ausubel acts like a learning map. It helps us connect new knowledge with what we already know. Advanced Organizer model, the key idea is the most important factor influencing learning is what the learner already knows. This model helps students connect new knowledge with what they already know. Before starting a new topic, the teacher presents an organizer, a kind of introduction that prepares students' mind to absorb new ideas. It has three main phases. The first one is presentation of the advanced organizer, second one is presentation of the learning task or content, and third one is strengthening cognitive organization. So why was this model created? David Ausubel believed that learning is not just memorizing facts, but connecting ideas like links in a chain. According to him, every subject is made up of concepts. If we learn something new and can relate it to what we already know, then that new idea stays in our mind better. This model is based on verbal learning, that is, learning through spoken or written words. The main principles of this model are: first, progressive differentiation. First, we learn the big general idea and then we explore the smaller specific parts. It's like seeing the whole tree before looking at its branches and leaves. Second one is integrated reconciliation. New ideas are carefully connected to old knowledge. We don't learn in pieces, we build a whole structure in our mind. The focus of the advanced organizer models are to make students understand concepts and facts clearly, to help students organize knowledge in a meaningful way, to ensure that new knowledge fits with what students already know, make learning faster and more effective. How the model works, that is structure and syntax. There are three simple steps in this model. First, presentation of the advanced organizer. The teacher starts by reminding students of what they already know. Then the teacher introduces the new topic with a clear example or simple explanation. This helps students prepare their mind of what's coming. The second phase is presentation of the learning task. Now the actual lesson begins. The teacher presents the topic using lecture, discussion, diagram, reading or videos. The information is well organized and easy to follow. The third phase is strengthening of cognitive structure. The teacher revisits the lesson, connects new ideas to previous knowledge and helps students reflect. Students ask questions, think critically and understand deeply. Now the social system of the classroom. The teacher plays the main role, guide the learning and present the material in a structured way. The beginning, students mostly listen and try to understand. Later, they start participating and discussing with the teacher. Now, teacher's role and reaction. Teacher always helps students by explaining new ideas clearly, comparing old and new concepts, and encouraging critical thinking. Support needed. The teacher must prepare well-organized materials. Diagrams, written notes, and question answer help make learning smooth. Now the classroom applications of this model. The model is useful for teaching abstract topics that are difficult to explain with pictures or experiments. It is best for subjects that require deep thinking like math, science, social science, etc. Helps in making long lessons easier to understand by breaking them into connected ideas. And it also encourages students to learn from lectures and reading material. Now a simple example from class 8 mathematics. Topic: area of a trapezium. Now the first phase is advanced organizer. The teacher begins by saying, you already know how to find the area of a rectangle and triangles. Today we will learn how to find the area of another shape, the trapezium. It looks like a mix between a rectangle and a triangle. Now the students draw a trapezium and connects it to no shapes. The second phase is presentation of the learning task. Teacher explains the formula. Area equal to half into sum of parallel sides to height. Then gives examples, solve problems on the board and asks student to try some. The third phase is strengthening cognitive structure. The teacher asks, how is this formula similar to that of a triangle? Why do we take the average of the parallel sides? Students discuss, compare and reflect. Their understanding becomes stronger and clearer. The advanced organizer model is like planting seeds in prepared soil. It ensures that students are ready to learn, helps them connect old and new ideas and supports deeper understanding. The benefits of advanced organizer models are it helps in meaningful learning, not rote memorization. Builds a bridge between old and new knowledge. Engage students with relatable real life situations and improves retention and application. Now try this.